everyone, thanks for joining me. Often I get asked what kind of camera to take on a trip. There's so many cameras out there that there's always one that might be better for what type of photography you want to do. So if it's landscape photography you want to do, make sure you get the camera plenty of time before you take your trip so you really know all the different menus, you know where to take the best picture. You don't want the moose running in front of you and then oh my gosh, you missed the shot just because you didn't know which button you were fumbling for. This is a Canon 7D. You can pick one of these up on eBay right now. I noticed for like $200 or $300, so not a lot. But if you don't know how to use it, you're gonna get way better pictures with your cell phone. Yeah, the cell phone right here in your hand. Some of them have 3 different settings. You can take landscape, you can take close-ups, you can take video, you can do special effects, you can add things right away to that picture. Use the camera you're gonna use before you go on the trip. Otherwise, you wanna start practicing or take a photography workshop. That's my tip for today. There's more where this is coming from. Like, subscribe, comment below. I'll see you again, and hopefully I'll see you out there in the great outdoors. Catch you later.